All right, so here is the baby registry package that just came on my doorstep just a couple days ago. I've really been wanting to open it, but I knew I wanted to make sure and wait to actually unbox. So you guys can see it's actually sealed everywhere, so I did not do any peeking. And it sounds like there's a good amount of stuff in there. So I'm really pumped. Let's go ahead. I got my knife here so that I can open it up easily. I love unboxing. I love watching unboxings too. Okay, see it. Here we go. Here, let me just show you what I see. So this is what I see inside. So you can see there's like a little tote bag with some goodies. Okay, how cute is this little baby registry bag? I love it, the mint, pink, and blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab and go. Okay, so the first thing here is Huggies Special Delivery, our perfect diaper. So these are free of parabens, fragrance, and elemental chlorine, our best combination of softness and performance, featuring stylish designs. And this comes with 3 diapers. And this is a 1, so up to 14 pounds. So this is really cool. I mean, I know that we're gonna be using diapers like crazy, so to have some extra I think is a huge plus. I mean, you can never really get too many diapers, right? So I actually haven't purchased any diapers yet, so this is our first little diapers. I'm so excited. I hear Huggies is a great brand. I think I'm gonna be going with maybe the Pampers Pure brand, but we'll see. Maybe I'll love these. You never know. Okay, this is really exciting. These are water wipes. These are the world's purest baby wipes. 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. So I've heard really great things about this brand as baby wipes. So I know there's a ton of brands of baby wipes out there, but apparently water wipes are really great for especially newborns because they have such sensitive skin. And because 99.9% of it is water, you have a lot higher chance of it not getting irritated on the skin of the baby. So this is super cool. This comes with 10 wipes. I think this would be something great to go ahead and keep like in a diaper bag. So I think that's super exciting. I think that's what I'm going to use this for. Or I might just like use it in the beginning to see, you know, if some other wipes that I buy irritates the baby. I can try these out to see. So this is really cool. So 10 wipes. Oh my gosh, a bottle. Okay, so this is the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow anti-colic bottle. So this one's clinically proven to reduce colic, spit up, burping, and gas. I've heard really great things about Dr. Brown's bottles. This comes with a new breast-like nipple for more natural feeding, so that is really cool. It says you can use with or without a vent in the bottle. Again, I don't have any of these baby items yet, so this is really cool. And apparently it's really good to get a ton of different brands, like just a bottle, so you can see what the baby's gonna like. So this is really, really awesome. And in case you guys are wondering, I do plan on breastfeeding, but I also plan on pumping as well. So this could be helpful for breast milk. So this is a pretty good sized bottle. Like this is crazy. It has like little indentions for the mama to hold. Let's see. Yeah, this looks like a really good quality little nipple. It's supposed to mimic the breast there, so that's really cool. And you can have up to, looks like 5 ounces of milk in there. So that's really awesome. Again, it has that vent in the middle. So y'all, I don't know why this is making it so real that this is like actually happening. Like I'm gonna actually be using this soon. Okay, and it says this is the level 1 bottle, so it's good for 0 months plus. So it looks like I can use this when they are newborn, which is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I have another bottle in here. This is so, and there's a passy inside. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is by the brand MAM, if that's how you say it, M-A-M. And this is another type of bottle, and this is a little bit more compact looking. This little top even has like something that you can like, I don't know, I guess measure out the ounces. I don't know what that's for. This one definitely has a different nipple, so this goes out a little bit more flat. It has a 0 on it, so I'm guessing this is good for 0 plus as well. And guys, it comes with a pacifier. Oh my gosh. From the same brand. And it like matches because they both have like this little yellow bear. So again, these are gender neutral, which is so cool. But y'all, this pacifier is like the tiniest little pacifier I've seen in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Like our little newborn could use this. I could cry, I could cry. So it's a MAM anti-colic bottle and start pacifiers. So I can use this right away. So again, now I already have 2 options for baby to use for milk. This is like so cool too. Like you can open it like on the bottom or the top. So many possibilities with this thing, and so cute. Let me go ahead and show them to you up close. Okay, so you can see how freaking cute is that, guys? Like, oh my gosh. A little bear. I love bears, and the yellow is so pretty. Honestly, I'm already so happy. Okay, so next up is this One A Day Women's Prenatal One. So it comes with 5 soft gels, and it has folic acid, DHA, and iron. I've heard this is a great brand. I already have a brand that I am currently taking, but I think that this would be a really great idea to keep in my purse. Like if I maybe am going out to dinner or with family and I realize that I forgot my prenatals and I'm like eating dinner or something, this might be a really good thing to have because you always want to take it with food. So yeah, honestly, I think that's what I'm going to use it for. It's just like a backup. And again, I've heard really good things about this brand. It has no added sugar or high fructose corn syrup, gluten, wheat, dairy, or egg. So still a good quality brand. Not bad. Oh my god, a onesie. I could cry, guys. Okay, it's by Simple Joys by Carter's, and it's a size 3 to 6 months onesie bodysuit. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me open this because I'm gonna cry. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so freaking cute. I cannot believe that I'm gonna have baby clothes. I have not. I've been so good. I have not purchased a single baby clothing item. I'm going to wait till we find out the gender. That's how I've sort of compromised with myself because I feel like I'm gonna go a little crazy. But this is so cute. It has little rhinos, lions, and elephants, and a turtle. Guys, this is so cute. Look, this is just the cutest little thing. And again, it could be great for a girl or a boy. Oh my god, it's so adorable. This is definitely my favorite thing for sure. Oh my gosh. So these just have 3 little buttons here, so should be really simple to go on and off, but oh my gosh, I'm in love. Next, we have some Baby Dove lotion, and it's fragrance free and it's sensitive moisture, so it gently moisturizes baby skin for 24 hours. So again, this is going to be great for my diaper bag, just to have like little small things like this instead of like bringing in like a big tub of stuff that you use at home. So this is going to be really great, and I love that it's hypoallergenic and fragrance free and all that good stuff because again, baby's skin is very sensitive, so this will be perfect. Okay, so we have another moisturizer. This is Vino Baby, and this is also fragrance free, paraben free, and it's a daily moisture lotion, and it has natural colloidal oatmeal in it, so I guess it's supposed to help with sensitive skin. But again, once I use this Dove one up, I can replace it with this Vino Baby. So again, you never know what they'll react to, so you always want to try a few different brands on what works best for them. So this is a great way to get those samples. Okay, next is the Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Detergent. So this is actually something that I've been trying to figure out if I want to buy or not, because I know I need some sort of special detergent for baby's clothing. But when I went on Amazon, I looked at all of them, and like, it's so hard to tell by the reviews because there's people who love it or hate it. And I'm like, all right, like this is really hard. They're like, oh, it's too strong, or oh, it doesn't smell enough, and it's too harsh, or it's too subtle. Like, I don't even know. But this is apparently one of the most popular detergents for baby clothing. So I don't know. This is a great way for me to try out the scent. So maybe that's what I'll do, is before I buy like a big tub of it, when I buy some clothing and clean it for the first time, then I'll be able to decide if I want to buy the big tub. So again, perfect way so that I don't have to spend money and it go to waste. And this is just one use in laundry, and that's all I need to figure out if I like it. So that's perfect. Okay, and I have a few more things here. So this one is Aquaphor Healing Ointment for Baby, Advanced Therapy. So I've heard, again, this is really good if they get any sort of like rashes, like diaper rash, or any sort of like dryness on their skin. I've heard really good things about Aquaphor Baby. So this will be, again, perfect for the diaper bag. So again, this is one of those things that I don't have to bring the big Aquaphor tub with me in my diaper bag. And then I have a little coupon. It's a Smart Baby Monitor and Sleep Kit bundle. So it's $40 off of it, and it's by the brand Lumi by Pampers. Obviously, I haven't purchased any sort of baby monitor yet, so I'm going to look online to see what the price would be and what the reviews are. And if so, then I get $40 off, which is awesome. So I'll definitely check that out. And then here is something from just Amazon. It says, do you love your welcome box? Purchase any item in 3 easy steps. Download, scan an ad, and purchase. Oh, that's so cool. So if I want to get like another Dr. Brown's bottle, or more of these Huggy diapers or water wipes, I guess I can just scan it on my phone and go ahead and purchase it. So that's really cool. But guys, overall, that is such an exciting little baby haul of free stuff. I love free stuff, and I love baby stuff, and I haven't purchased any of these items, like any categories of it. The only thing I've purchased is like a few things off of Facebook Marketplace, like a swing and stuff. This makes me feel a lot more at ease knowing I just have some of these basic items already and that I'll be able to try out or put in the diaper bag, etc. So guys, I mean, it's free, so make sure to do this if you are going to be doing a registry on Amazon. It's super simple. I want to say it took like a few weeks to actually get here once I like requested it, so there is a little bit of a lag time, but it was totally worth it, again, because it's free. So I would highly recommend this. We'll see what the Target one is like too. I've heard great things about that one as well. So give this a thumbs up if you guys want to see that video and that boxing as well. But guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little Amazon Baby Registry welcome box unboxing video. I had so much fun getting to reveal all the products with you guys. So make sure to stay tuned for more future baby videos. I have tons coming your way. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.